Okay, this is cheap. No idea if this is any good or not. Let's see if the girlfriend likes it. All right, you tell me if you like this or not.
Is this Chardonnay?
It's a mix. A blend.
A blend.
From Argentina.
Ooh.
Ooh, look at that. Look how nice that looks.
Cute.
Think you're gonna like it?
I think so, as long as it has alcohol.
It's very pricey.
Is it really?
I only buy the best. You don't believe me?
Mm-mm.
What do you think of the wine?
This is good.
Alright, so for this video, we decided to see what Canada looks like during the COVID-19 outbreak, the coronavirus outbreak, whatever you want to call it. It's officially been called a pandemic by the World Health Organization. But this is the size of this kitchen. We got to do some grocery shopping. We don't have room to hoard. So I've seen some crazy videos on Reddit and online, so I don't expect to see anything crazy. Just gonna have to get some stuff, and yeah, this is a day in life in Canada during the COVID-19 outbreak. Which one do you like the most?
The French bulldog. Right there. To your left.
That one?
Yeah, but the one running so fast, it's Smiley, that one. The
Yep.
one catching the ball looks like my dog in the Philippines. That looks like Marsha. Her name is Marsha. That was mine.
Do we have enough cash here?
Yep, we have to get rid of the small loose change first before the $2. Here you go.
How was it? Did we suck every little bit out of that?
Yeah. You sucked the last belly.
Yeah, but you couldn't get it. You couldn't get it, but I got it. I'm not letting it go to waste. Okay, we did eventually go shopping. Now I realize everyone's gonna say this. I think this COVID-19 virus has been blown way out of proportion. But you know what? I feel like I say that now and then something big's gonna happen. I'm gonna regret doing this. But we were in need of some groceries, and I was curious to see what the grocery store would look like. So our first stop was here at Safeway. It's kind of expensive, but it's convenient. It was sort of shocking to see how little of a selection they had in the meat department and in the frozen goods. Of course, we couldn't find any TP, toilet paper. And there wasn't even a lot of canned goods.
I went to Walmart and it was on sale. 5 for $10. Those bottles, and I always use it. And then I wanted to buy some, but I don't want people to think I'm hoarding, so I didn't buy it. But it was on sale. It's like $2 per bottle. It was so cheap. And
That is pretty cheap.
I'm like, oh, I could have pasta all week. But I didn't buy it. I don't want people to think I was hoarding. But it was 5 for $10.
Next, we went to the behemoth Walmart. Again, it was sort of shocking to see how people were reacting to the coronavirus. This COVID-19 thing has people really riled up. And I totally get it if you're older or you have a weak immune system. But you know what? I feel like in a couple months, with everyone having so much extra food, they're going to donate it. It's going to go to the food bank. And it's all going to go to a good cause. So I'm definitely not complaining. There was limited stock of meat, dairy, canned goods, and even cleaning supplies. All right, we got one last stop to check out, the TNT Market. We had to make one last stop, the TNT Market, which is a local Asian grocery store. I thought it'd be interesting to see what they had here, if it would be any different. And I can say if you're in dire need of groceries, this is the place to be. They were well stocked in just about everything but toilet paper. I honestly don't know where you're going to go if you're looking for toilet paper. But this TNT Market had a lot of spam though. Okay, things weren't as bad as I thought they were going to be. Just for safekeeping. Thanks for watching. Like the video. Until later, I'll see you later. Overall, I just hope this video gets people to calm down. Leave the supplies to the older people with weaker immune system that actually might be affected by the virus. Be sure to help out your neighbor. And don't go stealing toilet paper if you don't need it.